On May 19, 2022, in the village of Oakdale, Wisconsin, an on-duty officer observed a vehicle with no front or rear license plate clearly displayed on the vehicle. Because of this, a traffic stop was initiated.
2015 Dodge Dart silver color, no points. There you go. '35 Monroe, Wisconsin template. Victor. How are you? Could you roll the window down, please?
Yes, sir.
I'm Deputy Hefner of the Sheriff's Office. Do you know I stopped you today?
No.
So, what's that?
I live right there.
Okay. I didn't ask you where you lived. I asked you if you knew I stopped you. No? It's for not having license plates. But obviously, you see now that you have a temp plate here. Also, what's that?
I said definitely.
Well, you can't see it with the tint in the back window. It's nighttime. If it's daytime, maybe, but it's nighttime. You can't see it. Where are you coming from right now?
My brother's house?
Okay. Any alcohol to drink tonight? No? Okay. Any drugs tonight that you ingested or prescription medications?
I just
No.
want to go home. I got done with work. Like, I live
Where
right there.
do you work at? Oh, okay. You have your driver's license with you? Thank you. You got insurance?
Yeah.
I see that.
I just bought this car. I can look it up. Like, I literally just bought this car today.
You just, like, how long ago? Today?
Today.
Oh, nice. You get a decent deal on it in this current market?
It's from my brother.
Oh, okay.
I don't know how to get...
Here, pull up one with your policy thing from the general. That should be alright. Do me a favor real quick. Unbuckle your seatbelt, step on out.
No, I'm not going to do all that.
Yes, please.
No.
Well, then I'm not asking. I'm telling you I need you to.
No, I'm not going to.
Why not?
Because I want to go home.
Okay.
I live right there.
You do know, like, not following instructions on a traffic stop by a law enforcement officer. I'm a fully uniformed officer, right? The Monroe County Sheriff's Office. You know I'm a police officer. I've now instructed you to get out of the vehicle. I'm not asking you, I'm telling you. If you don't, Joe, you're subject to being placed under arrest and going to jail. Okay? So step on out of the vehicle.
I don't want to.
Step on out of the vehicle.
I don't want to.
It doesn't matter what you want.
No.
Brooke.
Then get another cop out here. I don't want to. I want to go home.
Okay. I'm asking you to step out of the car.
No.
It's not really a game I'm wanting to play with you.
Don't. What are you doing? No, I'm definitely
Get out of the car.
What the fuck?
This is all being recorded, Brooke.
Yeah, what are you doing?
Get out of the car. Brooke, you're obstructing. You know that, right?
What are you doing?
I've told you to get out of the car. I've explained it to you.
Get out of the car?
Get out of the car. I told you.
For what reason?
I've already told you. Get out of the car.
Dude, I'm scared. I'm so scared.
That doesn't matter.
Go home. No.
No force has been used on you. Get out of the car. You
For
know I'm a
what
fully
reason?
uniformed officer. I've already explained it to you. It does
And
not
do
matter,
what?
Brooke. It does not matter that you all of a sudden started pulling out your phone. I need you to get out of the car.
To do what?
I told you to get out of the car. I'm not asking you. I'm telling you. I told you you're subject to being placed under arrest if you do not follow orders. I've been more than nice in trying to work with you. Get out of the car.
What's so what? What did
Brooke,
I do?
Brooke, my concern is you're impaired. You're driving while under the influence. That is my concern.
No, bro. Like, I live right there.
That's when I'm asking you to get out of the car. Okay? So get out of the car.
And then do what?
We will talk back here.
No, listen. I'm so scared. I want to get somebody like...
35 to 12 if you're over in Toma. Go ahead and head this way. Brooke.
No, I'm scared of you. Like, you guys are trying to screw me over.
Brooke.
I didn't do anything. You pulled me over because I had no license plate.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Oh, I'm so... Like,
Brooke.
this dude's trying to make me get out the car.
Correct, yes. You do know what the case law that says that law enforcement officers can ask you out of the vehicle, right? Pennsylvania versus Mims.
He pulled me over because I have no license plate and I have a temp plate.
I just told you that
I'm literally outside
I'm
my house
concerned that
waiting.
you're impaired driving. I told you to get out of the car. You don't want to listen.
Yeah,
Okay, this is also showing like you might be guilty of something if you don't want to follow instructions. So just follow instructions. If you have nothing to hide, you have nothing to hide.
I'm guilty because I don't want to get out this car.
You've been given full instructions. You're
To get out this
disobeying.
car.
Okay, I'm going to place you under arrest then for obstructing. It's not a game, Brooke. It really is not. I will place you under arrest for obstructing. You will go to the jail.
Oh, it's because I couldn't hear you, boo.
So get out of the car, Brooke.
Officer safety or what?
I already told her. It's because I believe she might be impaired. She's been given
I
all
look
this
crazy,
instruction.
yes.
I'm letting her even FaceTime at this point. She's already been told I'm a fully uniformed officer, working in official capacity. I've given her multiple instructions to get out of the car. She's now refusing. She's subject to being placed under arrest. Brooke, get out of the car.
You can get out of the car, but you don't have to submit to any tests. They can take you to jail if they need to, but you don't have to submit to any tests without a warrant. But you do need to get out of the car and follow his instructions.
Like walking or I don't want to do anything.
You're not required by law
I'm not even at to that.
submit to any
Yeah,
test.
and Brooke, we're not even to that point. I'm literally just asking you to get out of the car so I can assess some things.
So mad.
We're not even at that point. So your brother's advice is good. I would exit the vehicle. If you want to FaceTime him, that's totally
I love
fine.
you, brother.
All right, come back here, please. Thank you. Come back to the front of my car. Okay. You can FaceTime your brother all you want if you want to stand
That's
right
not
here.
my brother.
Oh, I don't know who it is, but you can FaceTime while I ask you some questions here. If you want to stand right here in front of the siren.
Am I not?
Yeah, and then you can just, so the lights aren't in your eyes. You can just face me. All right, I'm going to ask you a few more questions here. So your
Am I
eyes,
doing this shit?
Hold
Am
on.
I doing this shit?
Brooke, your
He's
eyes,
about to test me.
Brooke. Here's what I'm
He's
explaining
trying to
you.
test me.
Listen, I want to explain this to you.
Oh no, wait.
You're being so difficult, Brooke.
Hello? You talk to me? No, you can't.
Brooke, you're just being very difficult, and I don't know why.
No, I can't hear you.
Okay, so the reasons I'm concerned that you're
No,
out,
you're trying to trap me.
Brooke.
Can you hear me?
Yep, I can hear you.
Okay,
what?
Are you gonna listen now, Brooke?
Not yeah.
Okay, so the reasons why I'm concerned that you might be impaired is, first of all, your eyes are glassy, your speech is slowed, and at some point slurred. Okay, your reaction time's super delayed and slowed. I'm concerned you might be operating while intoxicated or impaired by a drug or alcohol. Have you had any alcohol to drink tonight at all?
Don't answer any questions. He can ask all he wants. Tell him you don't want to answer any questions without a lawyer present.
You heard the man.
I can't go off of what he says. It has to come out of your mouth.
You have
I
to
can't
say
hear
it.
you. I can't hear you.
Okay, are you willing to answer any of these questions?
We are answering questions.
Okay. Are you
I'm
willing
not-
to do field sobriety tests?
No.
Okay. You understand that Wisconsin driver's license, with a driver's license, you're required implied consent as part of your driver's license. You understand that refusing field sobriety
Do not
tests,
answer any questions.
I just want to make sure you understand that you are refusing standardized field sobriety tests for an
Do not answer
OWI
any
investigation.
questions.
Yes?
Don't answer any questions without a lawyer present.
Is that a yes?
Bible. So I'm only talking to you or what?
You tell him that you're not answering any questions without a lawyer
I'm not
present, and
talking
then
to you.
don't
Okay.
need- he's allowed
Face the
to
car,
ask
please.
all he
I'm
wants.
gonna get
Just-
arrested
you don't have
then,
to-
Face the
baby.
car, please. Place your hands behind your back. You can put the phone right on the hood.
Don't resist. Just let him do what he's got to do.
I love you though.
Thank you.
I love you too.
Place your hands behind your back.
Hey, have the officer tell me where he's taking you so I can get you.
He can still hear you.
Yeah, I'll talk to you in a second here, sir, if you want.
Okay.
Okay. Do you have anything illegal on your person? I'm going to search you. You're in custody. I just want to make sure I'm not going to get pricked, poked, or stabbed by a needle, or you have something that you're not supposed to have. You bring it inside to a jail or anything like that's another felony, so. Okay. I'm going to take that as a no.
Yeah.
Oh, he hung up on you. Maybe not. I don't know.
He's fine.
Okay.
He's fine. Regardless, he's fine. Put it at the bar.
I just need to know
Throw
where
it
you're
away.
gonna end up
For all
with
you
so
care,
can
I was never trying to smuggle. I'm trying to go home.
Well,
Ooh. Guess what? I showed up with money.
yeah.
I never do.
Okay.
I never leave to borrow money.
No?
No.
All right. Nothing stuffed in your bra then?
No.
Okay. Try to click on your brother here so you can see you. Or your
No.
boyfriend, sorry.
Can you not put labels on shit?
I think you said boo, so I'm just assuming that's boyfriend.
No.
Okay.
That's assumption gone
I
wrong.
can't get your screen on, so as of this point, she's been placed under arrest for operating while intoxicated.
I think-
We'll do some paperwork, and then at the end, if you're willing to be a responsible party, she'd be able to be picked up. I assume she has your phone number saved, so we can probably call you when we have a responsible party portion figured out. As long as she continues to cooperate, she will not go to the jail. All right, she can't. I guess he can't hear, so.
He's done.
All right, we'll go over here. Brooke, I'm going to search your car as well. I just want to make sure there's nothing illegal in there, in your vehicle, besides what you had on you. $35 Monroe.
Brooke's car was searched, but nothing of evidentiary value was located.
Hey, is your address on your driver's license correct?
Nope.
No. What's your address now?
Oh, that's my boo.
That's a boyfriend?
No, that's my boo.
Boo, okay. I assuming you're...
Yeah, that's me.
Let's stand on the road, yeah. Yeah. I appreciate you talking to her some sense into her so we didn't have to drag her out. That was very much appreciated. She's been placed under arrest for operating while intoxicated. I'll do my process, and as long as she stays cooperative at this point, she is going to be released to a responsible party pending the results or pending the end of it.
Go to the police station and do that?
We have to go. I have to do some forms and potentially go up to the hospital. One thing though, before we actually get the tow en route, do you want to move her vehicle off of the roadway?
Yeah, she literally.
Do you want to take care of that?
Yeah,
We'll have you actually move the vehicle right off the roadway over, and then she has your phone number. We'll give you a call when ready. Okay?
Okay.
I
So I'm good to
appreciate
move
that.
her car right now?
Yes, and I'll tell you, she's being placed under arrest at this point right now for operating while intoxicated, and she's either going to be arrested criminally for the resist or obstructing, or just cited for it. Just depends on the end.
So we're on record that she asked for an attorney.
Yeah, I'm not questioning her at this
I know.
point.
I'm
Yep.
just
Yep.
making
So
sure
I've got
we're
some
all on the same page
Yep.
there that she
Yep.
asked for an attorney
For
already.
sure. Yep.
Okay.
You've been her legal advice since she's been on the phone with her. So, or been on the phone with you. So
I don't know where her phone is, but it's still alive right now.
it's right here. Do you want to take that? Should I ask her if you want to grab that? I think she'll need it if she wants to call you from.
Yeah, she can have it.
Okay. All right, then we should be good.
over.
We're actually probably going to go right to the Toma Health here, depending on how long this process takes, and then from there, should probably be released from there.
From the hospital?
Yeah.
Okay.
From Toma Health.
All right, then I'll just I'll wait for her phone.
Okay. Sounds good. Thank you.
All right.
Brooke was taken to a nearby hospital for an evidentiary blood draw. The results indicated her BAC was .163 at the time of arrest, over double the legal limit.
Hopping out. All right. Citation. I should print you one more thing off.
Just
so it
throw it
explains.
in there.
I gotta explain notes with the law. So
It's
June
trouble.
21st, Tuesday's court date. Yes, you do have to go. It's on via Zoom. $500. All right. There's a statute for operating with a restricted controlled substance. There is also the 341.15, 3B, the illegible license plate. That's all in there. Also, sorry.
Yeah, that's fine.
Do you want me to explain this?
Yeah.
Okay. Here's the notice of intent to revoke your operating privilege. That's all explains everything you need to do and the process going forward with that. Also, here's a copy of the warrant signed by the judge, just so you have that for your records. I'm going to print you off the citation explanation sheet just so you know where you need to go for the court dates, because it's on via Zoom, and I think it
They don't do it at the
attaches.
courthouse no more?
No, it's not. It's via Zoom. COVID messed everything up with that. So here's all that stuff you want to put in this bag. I'm going to print you off one more sheet.
Stay ugly.
Otherwise,
Hold on.
jeez Louise.
Hold on.
All right. Last one, this just explains where you need to go in regards for the court date, whether or not it's mandatory, which this one is. It kind of shows you the Zoom address and stuff. If you want to refer to that citation in regards to the statutes, please look those up so that way you know. You have any questions for me? You have any questions for me?
Once you saw the registration, was it still a legal traffic stop after that?
For sure, you can still identify and ask for the information. Then when she showed the signs of impairment, it's still valid.
All right.
That's a fight for a different day. You too.
Brooke was charged with resisting or obstructing an officer, OWI second offense, and operating with prohibited alcohol concentration second offense. She was found guilty of OWI and sentenced to 10 days in local jail. She also had her license revoked for 1 year and was fined just over $800. According to court records, she received a third OWI charge just 14 days after this incident.